So the empathy section of your learning journal starts on page 5. We've actually left you a blank page here, and it's really important to take any notes, any insights, anything that you learn from what's going to follow in terms of text and infographics, that you bring them together onto this blank page. And you can write notes, or you can draw images, or draw yourself an infographic, which combines numbers and short sentences to transmit a lot of information quickly. So page 5 is for you to take your notes, and then moving on page 6 and page 7, we have a bunch of information about coronavirus, and there are some graphics here, some data here as well, and then we've got a text which comes around the Sustainable Development Goals from the UN, which is all about clean water and sanitation. So there's a bunch of interesting things in here. You might want to highlight and underline things and then record them on page 5 as well. So some really good reading in here to support our English literacy. We've also got some maths activities. So this maths activity is explained in the book, in the learning journal, but it's essentially looking at how transmissible COVID-19 is, or how transmissible diseases are, using n equals r naught to this power of n. So looking at how many people can become infected and how infectious diseases are. So there's some maths work for you to look at here in understanding the diseases. Bunch of questions. The answers are here, so don't worry. You can check them, but try and do them yourself first. We've then got some data and some graphics around information in Papua New Guinea, and also cumulative confirmed COVID-19 cases. This is from about the end of June in terms of where the data comes from. And all of this should help you to collect information on page 5. We've then got finally an article which is all about the marketplaces of Papua New Guinea. So again, some really good reading there. Go through, underline data and things which are interesting. Maybe pull out some vocabulary which might be useful for you to use later. But there's a whole piece in here all about WASH, W, and COVID-19 in the context of PNG marketplaces.